Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious corn chowder soup. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of corn, either fresh or frozen, 2 cups of diced potatoes, and 1 cup of chopped onion. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of broth ready, along with 1 cup of rich heavy cream. And to thicken our chowder, we'll use 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our chowder. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your 1 cup of chopped onion and sauté it gently until soft, about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to form a roux. This will be our thickening agent. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring no lumps for a smooth base. With our flavorful base established, it's time to add the stars of our chowder. Carefully add your 2 cups of diced potatoes and 4 cups of corn into the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are perfectly tender. Remember to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper throughout this simmering process to enhance all the flavors. For the grand finale, let's add that signature creamy richness. Reduce the heat to low and gently stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. It's crucial not to boil the chowder once the cream is added, as this can cause curdling. Simply heat it through until warm and well combined. Give it a final taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Ladle your warm, comforting corn chowder into bowls and garnish with fresh chives or crispy crumbled bacon for an extra touch of deliciousness. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.